Heel. No, I want to do heel.
Right. Hello, everybody. This is Mama Eliana and
Rocco.
Baby Rocco. And we had colds this week, so we are playing fun things indoors that I found on Pinterest. I thought we would share them with the world because they're so
Mama,
fun.
I can put oil on this heel.
Yes.
On the way down.
We are going to do something called
Open the cap.
fireworks in a jar. We need some oil. We like to use extra virgin olive oil from Pizzeria Il Fico on Robertson Boulevard
Yellow cup.
in sunny California.
Yellow cup.
Here is the oil cup
Oil.
Eliana's talking about. So, we're going to make fireworks happen in a jar of water. We found this
Do I want it?
on ICanTeachMyKid.com. And here is the oil Eliana is going to pour it into the dish. Good job, Elian! This is our 5th time trying this. The first time we mixed the colors in. Food coloring is what you need next. What color should we do first, Elian?
Oh. Blue.
Blue. She said blue.
Said blue. Blue.
Good job. We need 4 drops of each color in the oil.
Ew.
1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 blue. Which color should we do next, Eliana?
Red.
Okay, let's do red. Can you get it out? Good job. Red.
Red.
Here it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next color, what do you want?
Yellow.
Yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was fast. And the last one is
Green.
green. Green. And we do 4 drops of each. See, the first time we mixed it too much. The second time, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
Oh,
Don't forget the dollop of aqua.
Oh, don't forget the jar of aqua, she says. So, I'll get the jar of aqua. We need a jar of water. Cold water, so the oil stays separated. I'm filling up the jar. I'm filling up the jar of aqua. Aqua is Italian for water. Eliana's papa is the chef at Pizzeria Il Fico, which is why we have the oil. You can also buy the oil at the restaurant.
Okay, we're gonna pour the oil into the jar.
Good. Gently mixing this time. And the first time we poured it too fast, so we need to pour it really slowly. Can you pick up? Can you?
No.
Oh my goodness gracious! All right, can you? Eric, can you have Mr. Sheep look into the jar? Can you have him check if the water's warm enough? Okay, see if they like it. We're pouring the colors slowly into the jar.
Let's keep the waiting.
And here the fireworks are going down. It's working! Voila! Do they like the fireworks? Again, we found this on Pinterest. ICanTeachMyKid.com. Fireworks in a jar. And these toys we love. These are from our Auntie Kate. They're the most amazing. We bought some for our little niece Rosina too. They're squirty animals by Elegant Animals. He likes it? He likes the fireworks in a jar. Ta-da! Is this fun or what? After 5 tries, we have gotten it down. Hey, Mama, will you please put the jar down?
Please put the doll down.
Okay, there you go. Okay, there we go. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.
It makes the water on the. It makes the water on the doll.
He does.
It does.
That's awesome.
And he spits into a cup here.
Spits it into the cup. Rocco, did you have fun? Is this fun for you?
It makes the aqua.
Rocco likes it too.
It makes the aqua.
Oh,
First it makes the
the
aqua.
squirty animals really like it. Okay. Bye, everybody. Can you say ciao a tutti?
Ciao tutti. Queen Waddle. Don't forget buy your whole Queen Waddle.
Okay.
Okay.
Now's our most favorite part of the night, which is finger bath time. It's finger bath time.
It's not finger bath time. It's green aqua time.
Clean aqua finger bath time. We like to fill bowls with bubbles of soapy water and let her wash her hands there. Say, it's finger bath time. I think while some other parents are out there making dinner, we are playing with the oil and water color.
Dry them.
I'll dry them. You're already done. Can you wash the fishy and the sheep in there too, please? Can you give them a bubble bath? Stick them in the bowl. You gotta feed Rock.
I'm too lost to here. Spit them through the cup by a bubble. He wants to go in the bath too. Oh, look out, Fishy. He's taking the bath. He's taking the bath. Sheep, what are you doing? I'm taking a bath. Okay. Horse you. Sheep with the soap. Taking a bath. Taking a bath. Look, our sheep's taking a bath. And he needs soap for the bubbles. I'm taking a bath. Well, where do you go? Where do you go?
I don't know. Where is he? Oh, Peekaboo. Where are you? Oh!
Peekaboo!
Hey, sheep, where are you? Oh! There you go.
You found him.
You found him. Woo. Sheep, where are you? Hello, sheep. Are you under the... Oh! There you are. Hello. Has anyone seen my sheep? Anyone? Fish, have you seen my sheep? Oh! There he is! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Sheep is on you. What sheep, Mama?
Has anybody seen my sheep? Sheep, where are you? Hello, sheep. Sheep, where are you? Oh! There you are. Are they kissing?
Is he kissing?
Oh, has anyone seen my sheep? Sheepy, where are you? Oh, sheep, where are you? Oh! There you are. You think that's funny too, Rocco? You think that's funny too?